Hey guys, welcome back to Nanrobot. Today we are here to show you how to replace the fenders of a Nanrobot scooter. As we can see, an electric scooter is equipped with front and rear fenders. Their replacement steps are exactly the same. So this video would only show you how to replace the rear fender. Before we start, as always, we will need a set of new part as well as an Allen key. Firstly, we need to loosen the screws on the rear fender with the Allen key. Remove these screws one by one, and keep them well. Then you can take off the fender and place a new fender. Place the screws into the holes and tighten them simply by hand to prevent the fender from moving. Tighten them all. Shake the fender slightly. If it does not move, that means it has been installed successfully. Hope this video will help you. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we see you in the next one.